How to make a Google Docker file on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Docs application on your phone. You can view all your Docs files over here. Once you're here, open any file from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Share and Export. And then, tap on Send a Copy. Choose the format that you want from here and then tap on OK. For example, Word. You can view all the sharing options available here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Here, choose the folder you want to save the file to. You can also change the file name if you want. And then, tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app on your phone. Go to the folder you just saved the file to. Open the file to view it. As you can see, this file is in the docx format. Following these steps, you can easily make a Google Docker file on iPhone.